Hello, myself Nimesh Rajput, Associate Director and Editor, Electronics Era. Here we are in Electronica India 2024 Expo, and with me Mr. Bikesh Kumar, Senior Account Manager, India. Hello, how are you, sir?
I'm good. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also good, sir. Sir, let me proceed. And my first question for you is, could you please explore more about WinSource and its journey so far?
Okay. So WinSource is started in 1999. So WinSource is a electronic component distributor, and we have started our office in 2006 for the B2B market. So initially WinSource was a retail office, so we are supplying electronic component. After that, after 2006, we have tried to expand our business globally by the supply chain connect. Apart from that, this year we are on the top 16th ranking, and we have recently opened our office in India to expand our business. So right now we are getting a lot of queries from OEM, EMS and all. So we are very happy to expand our.
Okay, so what is the product portfolio of WinSource?
So WinSource having huge product portfolio, including starting from the ICs, capacitors, resistors, CPUs, micron memories, gateways, relays, connectors. So we have huge number of products right now.
And what are the products that you are showcasing here in Electronica India 2024?
So in Electronica, we are showing different products. First, we are showing our online platform. We call BOM tool. So their customer load their complete BOM, and we will share the quotation with them. Apart from that BOM, we are also we are showcasing our GPUs, capacitors, resistors, new product with the good power supplies and all. So these are the products we are showcasing in Electronica India.
And what is the response that you are getting here in Electronica India?
So Electronica India, as we are already known by our customers, so lot of customers told we are already working with WinSource, and WinSource is a very good brand in the India. So there is a huge crowd, and even we ask customer to wait for some time as well, because so many crowd gathered at same time. So it's a very good event for us, and appreciate.
Okay. And as a global component distributor, where you are global network of suppliers, how you manage them to assist your customer in terms of services and after sales support?
So WinSource is a worldwide company. So we have suppliers from North America, Europe, Asia, India also. We have so many suppliers. To manage the suppliers, we have a checklist. First we verify their company website, then we see the company when it is established, and we also see their revenue, who are their end customers. So we have so many checklists to verify the suppliers, and based on that we are selecting our suppliers, and we expect them to supply the good component for us, so we can help our customers and we can win the good number of business for everyone.
Okay. And what is the quality policy and maintenance system of WinSource?
So WinSource is one of the biggest strength is WinSource quality of the product. So recently I spoke with a couple of customers, so they are happy with our quality. So in quality we have different certifications. So we have AS9120, ISO 27001, ISO 9001, and apart from that we also have a certification for medical devices, that is 13458. Apart from that we have 48001 certifications all to check our quality of the complete product.
Okay, my next question is that as a customer-focused online superstore nowadays, how you manage and improve your inventory on regular basis?
So WinSource is like having a same online platform for taking our inventory. Same we have a different APIs, so we do the integration with our different suppliers product, and we have huge number of product list. We take that and put it on our portal, and so that API will directly connect with our website to show the live stock of the product. So every day once in the morning it getting updated, all the product live stock and the pricing every time.
Okay, and my last question is that as a faster growing electronics industry in India, what opportunity does WinSource is looking in India?
So WinSource have a plan to start a business in India too, because they are seeing a lot of opportunity in India. Apart from that, WinSource already have a business, well-settled business in India. So WinSource right now seeing due to the government policies like Make in India, Fame India policy, a lot of EMS companies are right now working. So we are discussing with so many EMS companies in India, trying to expand our business. We are also in touch with the global OEM, EMS, ODMs, and we are supplying electronic components to them. So right now, if you see, India is a growing market for like 5G, the smart connectivity, IoTs and all. So we are in discussion with all these customers to supply our component to them. So we are trying to see a lot of inquiries from different customers from different application and industries to get their business. So it's we are seeing a great future for the Indian market for the WinSource.
Okay, thank you, sir. That's all from my side.
Thank you for
Thank
your
you so
time. Thank
so
you.
much for the insightful.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you.